Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics, how the rich got rich. Have you ever wondered how people like Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and Oprah Winfrey built their fortunes? What did they do differently? What habits and strategies did they follow? In this video, we'll explore the secrets of the world's wealthiest people, learn from their advice, and discover how you can apply these lessons to build your first million. Let's get started. 1. Think long-term, Warren Buffett strategy. Let's start with Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. Buffett's net worth is over $100 billion, and his strategy is surprisingly simple. Think long-term. Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." He invests in companies with strong fundamentals and holds them for decades. For example, he bought shares in Coca-Cola in 1988 and still owns them today. So, what can we learn from Buffett? Invest in what you understand. Buffett only invests in businesses he fully understands. Be patient. Don't panic during market downturns. Buffett says, "Our favorite holding period is forever. Reinvest your profits. Let compound interest work for you." Buffett's wealth grew exponentially because he reinvested his earnings instead of spending them. 2. Take risks. Elon Musk's bold moves. Next up is Elon Musk, the billionaire behind Tesla, SpaceX, and more. Musk's net worth is over $200 billion, and his success comes from his willingness to take massive risks. Musk invested all his PayPal earnings into SpaceX and Tesla, even when everyone thought he was crazy. He once said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." Key lessons from Musk. Risks. Don't be afraid to fail. Musk's early rockets exploded relentlessly. Musk is known for working 80 to 100 hours a week. He says, if other people are putting in 40-hour, 100-hour work weeks, you'll achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve. Build multiple streams of income. Oprah Winfrey's empire. Now let's talk about Oprah Winfrey, who went from being a local news anchor to a media mogul with a net worth of $2.6 billion. Oprah's secret? Multiple streams of income. She didn't just rely on her TV show. She built a media empire, launched her own network, and invested in real estate and businesses. Oprah once said, "You become what you believe." You are where you are today in your life based on everything you have believed. Lessons from Oprah. Diversify your income. Don't rely on just one source. Oprah has income from TV, books, magazines, and investments. Education and personal growth are key. Oprah credits much of her success to her love of reading and believe in your vision. Confidence attracts success. Oprah says, "Turn your wounds into wisdom." At Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, with a net worth of over $100 billion. Despite his wealth, lifestyle. He drives a modest car, wears simple clothes, and lives in a relatively modest home. Zuckerberg once said, "I just want to focus on building products and not on spending money." Key takeaways. Below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you can afford a luxury car doesn't mean you need. Focus on value creation. Build something that solves problems. Zuckerberg created Facebook to connect people, and that mission drove his success. 5. Take action. Lessons from all the billionaires 1720. So, what's the common thread among all these billionaires? They took action. They didn't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect idea. They started where they were, learned along the way, and kept pushing forward. As Richard Branson once said, "Screw it, just do it." Here's how you can start. Financial goals. Know what you want to achieve. Do you want to save $1 million? Retire early? Start a business? Write. Educate yourself. Read books, take courses, and learn from experts. Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. Start small. Even $100 invested today can grow into thousands over time. The key is to start now. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent. Stay focused, and most importantly, take action. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Let me know in the comments which billionaire's advice inspired you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.